Serpentine belt is generally equipped with spring-loaded tensioner to adjust tension automatically. It does not require periodic adjustment until there is some defect in the tensioner. Replacement of belts. Loosen the lock nut or bolt given on adjustment bracket. Loosen the belt by moving the alternator or AC compressor in the appropriate direction on the adjustment bracket. Remove the belt carefully. Fit new belt and adjust it on the pulley grooves. Tighten the belt by moving the alternator or AC compressor in the appropriate direction on the adjustment bracket. Check and adjust the deflection. Tighten the lock nut or bolt. Install the negative terminal to the battery. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Stop the engine and check the deflection again. Adjust the same if needed. Replacement of serpentine belt. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Note the belt routing before removing the old belt. Remove the belt while turning tensioner clockwise until it stops. Select a correct replacement belt. Install the belt while turning tensioner clockwise until it stops. Release the belt tensioner. Install the negative terminal of battery. Start engine and check for proper operation of belt. Replacement of timing belt. Remove all the components such as drive belts, crankshaft pulley and timing belt cover to gain access to the timing belt. Rotate the crankshaft to align the timing marks on camshaft and crankshaft gear and mark on engine or timing belt cover. After alignment, loosen the timing belt tensioner. slide the timing belt out. Do not rotate camshaft or crankshaft after removing the timing belt. In an interference engine, this may result in damage to valves and pistons. Pay attention to the direction arrow printed on the flat side of belt. The arrow should direct to the direction of rotation. Install timing belt on two pulleys in such a way that drive side of belt is free from any slack. Install tensioner and tensioner spring. Hand tighten the tensioner bolt. Allow tensioner to contact the belt. Ensure that the timing marks on camshaft and crankshaft gear align with marks on engine or timing belt cover. After installing tensioner, rotate the crankshaft twice and verify the timing marks again.
Please subscribe and like and share. Please
After
subscribe
verifying
and
the
like
timing
and
mark,
share. Please
tighten the
subscribe and
tensioner
like and
bolt.
share.
Install all the components in reverse order.
Please subscribe and like and share. Please subscribe and like and share.